Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 2. This doesn't count as a stitch. Work 14 double crochets into that magic circle. Slip stitch to join. Then chain 2. Round 2, make 2 double crochets in each stitch around. That's 14 increases for those counting at home. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. We're ready for the grand finale. Round 3, work 7 single crochets. Single crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet in one stitch. Then 2 single crochets. We're going to repeat this sequence 5 times. Finish with 6 more single crochets. Slip stitch to join. And just like that, 1 petal down. Round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 2. It doesn't count as a stitch. Work 14 double crochets into that magic circle. Slip stitch to join. Then chain 2. Round 2, we're doing 14 double crochet increases. That's 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2. Round 3, work 7 half double crochets. Double crochet. Chain 3. Slip stitch in first chain. Double crochet in one stitch. Then 2 double crochet increases. We're going to repeat this sequence 5 times. Finish with 6 more half double crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 1, this doesn't count as a stitch. Work 10 single crochets into that magic circle. Slip stitch to join. Then chain 1. Round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. That's 10 increases for those counting at home. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 3, 20 single crochets around. Slip stitch to join. Round 4, chain 10. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next chain. 3 half double crochets in the next 3 chains. Three double crochets in the next 3 chains. Treble crochet in the next chain. Skip 3 stitches on the base and slip stitch. Repeat this whole shebang 4 more times. Slip stitch to join when you're done. Fasten off and leave an end. Round 1, chain 12. Add some wire. This'll give our leaf that perfect natural curve. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Now, let's build up, double crochet. Treble crochet. Treble increase. Work 4 treble crochets. Double crochet. Half double crochet. Here comes the leaf tip, 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Now we're mirroring down the other side, half double crochet. Double crochet. Four treble crochets. Treble increase. Treble. Finish with a double crochet. Single crochet. Slip stitch. And chain 1. Round 2, we're going to repeat, single crochet, chain 2, 12 times along one side. At the tip, work, single crochet. Chain 2, slip stitch in first single crochet. Single crochet. Coming down the other side, repeat, chain 2, single crochet, 12 times. Slip stitch to join. Here's a pro tip, leave a tail of yarn. We'll use this to wrap our wire later. Take your number 3 floral stem and place it under a small petal. Secure it with a dab of glue. Arrange your 4 small petals in a circle and glue them in place with hot glue. Make sure they're evenly spaced. Now, let's add our larger petals. Layer them over the small ones, offsetting them slightly for a fuller look. Glue these in place too. Insert the other end of the floral stem into the center of your crocheted receptacle. Secure it with glue to keep everything in place. Grab your yarn and let's start wrapping. Begin at the base of the receptacle, pulling the yarn tight as you go. Keep wrapping until you reach the spot where you want your first leaf. Pause here and let's add that lovely leaf we made. Continue wrapping the stem all the way down. When you reach the end, secure that yarn with a bit of glue. Snip off any excess.